Fastest time to burp the English alphabet.
Wow, okay. I don't even know how to burp, by the way.
You don't?
No. And I don't know how to do this.
Nobody that wasn't an adult in the 80s knows how to do that. That's such an 80s.
I was born in the 80s.
It is a very teenage boy 80s move.
Right. Okay.
Don't worry about it, but you should learn how to burp.
Okay.
It's important when you're playing a drunk.
Right.
Or just when you're drunk.
Yeah.
Like, you don't know how to burp at all?
I burp when I have a bubble stuck inside of my...
But you know how to just like...
No.
That's kind of a gross one, but...
No, I don't.
Okay.